All right, I got a question. Now, I did watch this on TikTok today, just now. Cooking with Kaya has been banned from cooking with Kaya on TikTok. I don't know why y'all women hate a young girl that's making a living because she like cooking, twerking a little bit at the end of her video because she can cook. None of y'all ladies can cook. You don't mind being 304s and simping men for money, but don't willing to cook, make it make sense. You know, it's hurtful to say this. What goes around comes around for most women. Not all, but for most. With the negativity and all this bashing each other, because she making a successful living off of something that y'all cannot do, it's not her fault. Cooking with Kaya, she did good. I would say this. She got rich off of that just for doing that alone. I followed her TikTok not that long ago, and she got some good cooking dishes. I give her that. That girl can throw down. And for the women who tearing this woman down instead of lifting her up saying congrats, keep your head up, keep moving forward and all that stuff about her, y'all the reason why women don't have nothing to show for it. Instead of bashing her, some of y'all should be thanking this girl. My thoughts of her being banned is distasteful. But you have OnlyFans 304s that can shake their ass, show half of that body, half naked, and don't get banned. Still get praise. But someone that's actually doing something for a living, making useful and trying to chase to get the bag because she not showing no skin or showing no ass and titties like that and asking to buy OnlyFans, y'all women are something else in today's society. And y'all gonna continue to be like this by 2030. Single, no man, no nothing. But bashing on women instead of telling other women, hey, this girl right here got something going for herself. Let's give her some praise and some love. Even though she's doing it for fun at the end, it ain't mean no harm. But y'all are some bitter, hateful women I ever seen in my life. Cookie and Kai didn't deserve that. Not at all, in my personal opinion. She didn't deserve to be banned. Because she said she would take your man. One of her catchphrases that I would cook for your man before I do. Y'all women are salty. Disgusting and salty. And bitter. My thoughts on Cooking with Kai. Keep your head up, girl. What you did was good. And you got people who supporting you 1,000% of the way. Do your thing. Don't let these haters knock you down. Because some of these women, just mad because you talented can cook, half of them don't know shit about cooking. They wish they knew about cooking and want to cater to somebody that can cook. Y'all ladies, I got this quote from DJ Khaled. He said it best. Congratulations. You play yourself. T-Bechilln out. Like, share, and subscribe at T-Bechilln.